I haven't been perfect, but I sure been faithful. Y'all, I can't sing, but I know he's able. And I'm under the weather, y'all. Hi guys, we are jumping dead head first into fall. But yes, I have been so inspired, y'all, to like do some fall looks for you guys. Like, I'm the type of person who I let everything like sneak up on me. Holidays, birthdays, any special occasion, anything, work. I mean, I let everything sneak up on me. And I'm not trying to do that this holiday season. Like, I'm trying to get everything, all my ducks in a row, and just like be ready, okay? So we're gonna go right into the Morphe 35O palette. These two shades right there, just to get a nice little warm situation going on. I actually think I'm gonna go into, because it's not turning out exactly how I want it to. I want it to be a little bit more like an orangey color. So I'm gonna go into my Jaclyn Hill palette and get this color right here. This really pretty orange color, just to warm it up a little bit more. I'm actually gonna mix these two. I'm just gonna go right under that color. I don't know what I'm gonna call this look, but, and I'm bringing it on the outer portion of my lid. Okay, so I'm gonna go back in with that transition shade and just kind of blend out the edges of that other, and bring this orange color back into play. Ooh, I think I'm gonna do this really pretty cranberry right there. We're just gonna go right into this shade with this e.l.f. brush, and if I need to kind of spray my brush, I will, which is looking like I'm gonna have to do something. I think I'm gonna spray my brush. All right, so I'm gonna spritz my brush with a little bit of this Fix Plus. And, ooh, look at there. Didn't that do something? And we're back. I guess my camera overheated. Should I do a fall glam series, you guys? Like, I'm just really into fall right now. Like, thumbs up this video if I should do a fall glam series. And I think this is gonna start it off. I was going more neutral, but I really like this look. This is really pretty. So I'm gonna go back in with that ColourPop brush and pick up a little bit more of the darker shade that I went into my crease with, and kind of blend the edge of that color out. I keep squeezing out of this Smashbox Photo Finish Primer. I don't know. This not all that. So I'm gonna go right in with my Maybelline Super Stay Full Coverage Foundation, and I am using the color Mocha. This brush is so smooth. Guys, I'm so sorry, but my camera is just acting a straight donkey fool. Like, it keeps cutting off because it's being a crybaby, talking about it's too hot. But okay, when I tell you this is one of the softest foundation brushes, and it applies your foundation so smoothly. going right into my OG Sasha Buttercup Setting Powder and putting it right on top of that concealer. Oh my gosh. So going right into the CoverGirl Queen Collection bronzer in Ebony Bronze. Yeah. So I'm gonna take my Morphe M527 and just do a little bronze slash contour, bronzer, whatever you call it. The blush by Wet n Wild is in Heather Silk. And just make a little bit of a blushing type of look. If y'all know of a different blush, if y'all know of a different, am I finna do it again? If y'all know of a different blush that I can use, please leave that down below as well. Alright, so we're gonna go in with this NK Perfection Highlighter, Morphe M501. I love a gold kind of highlight. This is so pretty. Y'all, and guess how much it was? It was like $3.99, $4.99, something like that. It was under $5. Alright, so real quick, in case my camera cut off, I am going to line my lower lash line with this other eye pencil, and this is by NK too. She is doing the darn thing, y'all. Y'all need to go to y'all's local beauty supply store and pick her products up. So, okay, this is the NK eye pencil in the color black, of course. And I'm going to use the Maybelline, the Colossal Big Shot Mascara, the Shade Time Shayla, Makeup Shayla Mascara. And I'm going to use the NYX Matte Liquid Liner. I'm going to go ahead and do my lashes in mascara off camera, and I'll come back for my lips. So I'm going to go in with this lip pencil by MAC. It is the Chestnut Lip Pencil, and line my lips. The LA Colors Chunky Lip Pencil Crayon, and it is in the color shade Cocoa. It's actually really pretty to just leave just like this, but I think I'm gonna go ahead and go in with a gloss. It's the NYX Butter Gloss in the shade Madeline. That is so pretty. I love, love, love this lip combo. This is so pretty, y'all. Let's go ahead and spray our Fix Plus. Alright guys, so I am so loving how this look turned out. It's giving me fall glam. I'm just so ecstatic about this look. But give this video a huge thumbs up if you like it. So just leave me like some products down below that you guys use and that you swear by and that is your go-to, especially for the fall. Until next time, I love you guys and be blessed.